Hello and welcome dear students. In this video we will learn about composition of population. In composition of population we study two elements. First element is age, second element is sex ratio or gender ratio. Age is an important element of population composition. We use this data to calculate average age of the people living in a country. The data for age composition is divided into three groups. Group A is the children, means 0 to 14 years age children. They are called dependents. Now the question is why they are called dependents? They are called dependents because they do not earn money. For whatever they need, they depend upon their parents. So that is why they are called dependents. They are not contributing in their economy because they are not earning any money. Group B is of adults. 15 to 64 years are called adults. They are called productive. This group is called productive group because they are the people who actually earn the money and contribute for the economy of their country. Group C is of aged population. People of 65 years and above, they come under aged population. They are called dependent people. They are also dependent like children because these people are now retired from their work and they depend upon their children for their needs. Means they are not the actual earners now. They have become a liability in the country and they do not contribute for the economy of their country. Now let's learn about some important facts regarding to composition of population. First fact is 27% of Japan's population is above the age of 65 years. So there are 34 million people who are not earning money and government of Japan is providing them with all facilities. So this is the dependent population of Japan. Second example is from the country Niger, which is an African country. 49% of Niger is 15 years or younger than that. So in Niger, in the future, the population of this country will grow at high speed. So Niger must be prepared for all the population related problems which may arise in this country. It will face these problems in the future. So there will be pressure on resources and there may be lack of jobs in the country of Niger. That's all in this video. Thank you so much.